Hi, I'm Juanita and welcome back to the Knit Guru. As you can see in here, it's not raining. It's been raining a lot lately. So I figured it's probably about time to give you another bit of an update about what's been happening here, because clearly a lot more stuff is happening on the house than is happening with my knitting. That and the sun is shining. I am collecting a whole stack of footage so that then when we actually do finish everything, I can compile the whole lot as a video just for Dave so that he can see the progress. And for everybody else, it's great to be nosy. So I thought I might give you a bit of a house update and film it over, well, today and tomorrow, because I think I can film now and show you what's out and about. Yeah, keep in mind, work in progress, construction site. Still looks like a tip half the time. And tomorrow, hopefully, touch wood, we get the final part of the power setup put in. I say final part, the next bit of the power setup put in. It's been a process. Oh, I long for mac and cheese. I long for it. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to give you a tour. Right, here's the driveway. Here's a tree. It may or may not have lived. I'm looking at it thinking dead, but also maybe just autumn, but probably dead. There's a big puddle. So we're still construction site, but this part does work quite well. What have we got that's different here? There's less decking timber sitting there. There is a part of my car sitting over there. There is a part of my car missing there and a dent right there. Let's just say close encounter with a farm dog. Farm dog's fine, car is not. Just panel beating, but car is not. My posts, still happy with my posts. I still need to move that garden over here. I say but it's a tractor job. And move the old trough over a bit. But that will be where I've got like salad and herbs and stuff, rather than just all the stuff down in the big garden. Hebes have been planted in between the posts. What else has happened recently? This deck, I think I've had this video in I think I've had the deck in a video. Or maybe it was just a short. Can't remember. Either way, gas runs. These are the posts for the washing line. These trees here may or may not make it. We'll see. We'll see how we go. Cat and the dog hanging out on the little deck. Now the little deck is just so that we can get in and out of the house on this side. What it's going to end up having is not a mud room exactly, but a space to have down here with wood boxy stuff and some walls and some covering from the southerly that comes in this way, so that then we can be dry. Yeah, something along those lines. And then down in this bit here, when I get better handwriting or make up a stencil, there's going to be Shakespearean quotes etched into the ramp with a router, so that becomes less slidey. Because funnily enough, the artificial grass is just there because my old lady shoes don't have grip on the ground and I slide off it on frosty mornings. Please ignore all the upside down recycling bins. It's been a very windy, rainy weekend, which is why it's quite surprising that it's not rainy right now. We're also ignoring this trolley and all of these containers that have just been cleaned out, but we've been sorting through more crap. Then if we come around here, past pile of crap, this is where I was placing my bench tops to do the varnishing way back then. A little ladder garden. It's where, our ladders grow and reproduce. It does feel like they grow and reproduce around here some days. And then this is the bedroom deck, or it will be. These are just place holding. Well, they're just holding space because they've been cut to length, but they're not attached at all. They're just loose. So, there'd be wobbles in the breeze. Right, there's still this big trough that goes down to the power shed. There's still the construction rubble. There's still all that decking timber, but this will get filled in shortly. When that is filled in, Dad's caravan can be moved, but that needs to be filled in when the cabling goes in. And the gypboard needs to be broken down and composted. There's another beagle under the house. I mean, same beagle, but now he's peeing. Oh, but he's got his leg up. Good boy. And we've got the big deck. Dave's down there working on it. No idea what he's actually doing or what he's working on, but you know, deck stuff, house stuff. This, that chair is where I had my morning coffee this morning, and where I'll have my afternoon coffee very shortly. Will I have a ginger nut? Maybe. Maybe. What are you doing, you silly sausage dog? You trying to walk through a fence? Of course you are. And then, what does this look like? There we go. There's the front of the house at the moment. I'll see if I can keep walking around a little bit further and not fall over in the mud for another angle. What I was going to say is we're just walking around one of the big piles of dirt. Ridiculous, dog. Ridiculous. Right, I am getting wet feet because of course I'm wearing my Crocs. Yep, you silly sausage. Right, there we go. There it is from the front with all its deck, which is quite exciting. Is any of the decking actually attached? No. No. But I think all of these bits across here that the decking timbers attached to are attached. I think. Yeah, I'd like to say I understand more than I do. Right, okay, here's just a, green field between the reins. Same beagle, just finally not in disgrace, not doing anything too embarrassing. Boots and mittens are off being sheep somewhere. But yeah, this sort of goes around down past those trees is the pond, and then just past this row of trees is the vegetable patch that I have not touched since getting concussed. But when I get back from England, that's my priority, is getting that back up and running. There we go, back neighbour cows, just hanging out, having a good time, being cows. Right, here we go, driveway daffodils, which I chaos planted as soon as I moved in up here, expecting that the whole row would just all be daffodils. It hasn't been, but at least these ones here haven't been eaten by the cows over the back. So there's something. So, morning walk. We're not going to go that far, but just enough to make sure we can pee on something different for a change. And then double check the suitcase. And then I guess we're off. Right, okay, so the inside house update at the moment. We've got dog on the couch, we've got office in the lounge, we've got view out the window, we've got incomplete deck. What else have we got? We've got some dishes done, bread maker that I don't know where to put it yet. It's got to go in the pantry, I think. But the pantry is, well, it's still no shelves, so it's a holding pattern, which means that this end cupboard over here is just pantry supplies, so a mess. I've got 2 cookbook shelves, but, you know, that's because a little while ago I decided I don't need a microwave. I can have 2 shelves for bookshelves for cookbooks, right? I did clean the kitchen this morning, sort of. And then, what have we got? We've got view, we've got car that's been through the wars. It's been involved in 2 minor crashes in the last little while. One, dog ran into car, dog is fine. Second, stepson reversed into car. Car came second, I think. Things are in the cabinet, though not everything that belongs in the cabinet is in the cabinet. Yeah. This corner over here is empty because the electrician needs to come in and finish off there, and therefore everything here is a mess. Everything here is a mess. Everything here is a mess. Shoving everything into the corner. I mean, we've got a Kiwi wearing a road cone. We've got so much crap on absolutely every single surface. Yep. Right, laundry. I can't actually remember if there's anything changed here, really. There's a plant that I'm trying to keep alive that I brought home from my classroom. There's a view out the laundry door. We still have no cupboard. Well, we've got a new cupboard up the top here. There's going to be another cupboard up there, and there'll be something in the middle. But this big cupboard over here still has no shelves in it. That's for another day. Bedroom. Yeah, the view doesn't get any worse, that's for sure. It's still very nice. Again, more road cones because they're everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. You can tell that there's been a dog sleeping on my bed during the day. I mean, there's a small miracle that may never happen again, that if we look down here, you can actually see the floor by my side of the bed. Yep, it's like I've tried to tidy it to make it presentable for when I'm not here. I ain't going to miss this place. So that's it. That's my house update for the moment. I'm going to be now out of the country for a couple of weeks, which means that, weather permitting, it might be different when I return. I don't know. I mean, I'm hopeful that it'll be different when I return, but I'm also aware of the fact that there's forecast rains. So chances are the deck's not going to be finished. Would I be surprised if it was? No, it's not that I would be surprised if it was. I would be grateful for anything that does happen while I'm gone. Particularly things like the power supply being fixed. Maybe even some solar panels up. But I do feel like Dave's going to be pushing it for time to get anything done, particularly if the weather's no good. So it could very well be the same when I get back. In the meantime, I guess the next time we do a house update, it'll be when there's something to update you all on. So I hope you're all having a great time, and I will see you next week. Bye.